Today we are going to discuss a software development. I think the topic of library management system. This software has been used widely from every institution in the world. So we will be having starting from the requirement analysis phase.
So in this requirement analysis, in the library management, we have the difficulty in book details. So first we gonna analyze the book details and what the book they want to prefer. The students which book they want to prefer, and give the that preference books to the students, and for the fine calculation. So while we are returning books, there is difficulty for the staffs to get the deadline from the student. So we use there the fine calculation, so that the students and the staff will have the details to up to date where to give.
So in this requirements, in this defined page,
Next page is your
defined page.
that is design phase. Architecture design. In architecture design, what all will be having?
Sir, we are using 3 layers, sir. 3-tier layers. Basically, this is used for efficiency, scalability, and reliability. In these spaces, in presentation layer, we have 3 layers. There have presentation layer, application layer, and data layer. In presentation layer, we are using user interface, and application layer, we are using the backend to run the library management software, and in data layer to store the database in the layers, sir.
Okay, presentation layer, what will be having?
Sir, we are having React Native to using presentation layer to user friendly to our users.
That is, we have architectural design. In architectural design, we have number of users and those who have numerous number of users, and the number of test cases will be there. Based upon this, we go for next phase called coding phase.
Hello everyone, I'm going to discuss about coding and implement part. Since we have purposed the solution to build the software that should help the library staffs to maintain their library books efficiently. For this, we can develop the computer web-based application. For the front end, we can use Flask because billion-dollar company is running behind this technology, which is very useful for this kind of application. For backend, we can develop either Node.js or Python. We prefer Python because Python supports a n number of data structures natively. That's why we can prefer. We may use list stack these kind of data structures for library management. That's why we prefer Python.
Next phase.
Next is the testing phase, sir. So in this case, now we are finding a library, and there will be a book testing process. That is, they will be arranging from alphabets, or their mode of arranging will be very different. So now we are searching for a particular book, and if the book is got, if some issues with there in the book, we should return it. So the process is somewhat difficult. So now they are giving us the expected days will be the book should be returned within 7 days. So the output also will, should come in. The book is issued within the due date. So in this process, we can use the testing case as we are giving the particular time that we are issuing the book, and also if there is any fault, we are returning it at the correct time.
That's your testing phase. That is your testing phase is based upon the requirement. You are going to test whether the requirement is satisfied by your product or not. Then what is my deployment?
Sir, after finishing the testing phase, we should move on to the deployment phase. In that phase, the final software should be embedded to our systems, in our corresponding institution systems. After that, we should make sure that the librarian should be aware of each and every modules which are kept in our software, so that they can also get the books in order from return or issuing of the books. It should be more easy and convenient. For that only we are making the software. In the case of deployment, there are any errors, whether it occurs, we should make sure it wouldn't happen in our future.
That's what your deployment is. After installing the software in the system, what you are going to do in the maintenance phase?
In maintenance phase, after developing the software, we should see whether it is working properly, and the maintenance should be good. taking the debugging and the database management and the updates should be done. If a person is taking a book and the book is issued by the library, the person should return it and the date of issue and the date of return should be noted, and the new book should be updated, sir. And the next is the books taken will be noted and the date of
That is,
issue.
that is if for example, when we give only 100 books, the maintenance fee should be greater than 1,000 in the next case.
Yes.
Then what is will we have an annual maintenance cost?
Sir, the person who is handling will have that.
That is the person who are going to have the book. That's a sort of going to deploy and we have annual maintenance cost. So they will be paying. So updating, that is the maintenance of the software. So this is what the clear picture is for software. FDS after development for library management system. Okay, thank you.